Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Sézane haul, and this is from the new fall collection that just released last week. If you haven't seen part 1 to this video, I'll link it down below. It's basically me sharing with you guys my Sézane collection and reviewing older pieces that I had purchased from the past seasons. I feel like Sézane orders always come in like beautiful packaging. So my name is at the front, and then the sticker kind of extends to the side. So first thing first, I picked up the Claude bag, and it's in this really beautiful like dusty pink color. It's in a saddlebag shape, and I pretty much wear it crossbody. I would wear this crossbody most of the time. The buckle is like this. You just push it up and then you just pull this out and it opens. And the inside, as you can hopefully see, is a canvas material. So you have a pocket on this side and then another pocket at the top. Yeah, it's a white canvas, so I can imagine it getting a little bit dirty if you're not careful, but look, it's in the inside and it's not a big deal at all. There is also one pocket at the back, which can be really handy if you just have like a travel train pass or a bus pass that you want to slot in. But there's not a ton I can imagine fitting in there. Just so you guys have an idea of what this fits, I've been using it for like 2 days, and I've just put my wallet in there, my vlogging camera, as well as my phone, and then just a couple of lip products. So it doesn't fit a ton, but it fits all of the essentials that I would need it to fit. The hardware, if you can see, is a really light coloured gold. So it's not too flashy and it's just very subtle. I do feel like you could wear it with silver because it's not very obvious gold, which is versatile. I think because this is made from suede, it is a very delicate material. I don't think the colour is much of an issue. I've had bag colours like this and I've never had an issue with it, but suede is quite delicate, and I can see that it does like have little marks, but if I run my finger over it, usually the marks kind of start to go away. I don't expect this bag to look as pristine as this as we get along. I imagine it will look quite like scratched up. But that's something that's never really bothered me about bags, and I kind of like the lived-in look. Also, one more thing is that I will note that probably a lot of the time I'm just going to wear the bag like this. I don't think I'll bother like tucking this back in every time because it can be a little bit of a pain. I currently have it on the shortest strap length, and on me, and I'm about 160 centimeters, it's pretty good. I would have liked it a little bit shorter, but it's not a problem. So far, so good. I really like the style of this bag, and I just think it's very cute. And it just comes in this canvas dust bag. Moving on to the clothes, I picked up 3 things, and this one I actually wore today. I just changed out of it for the sake of this video and showing you what it looks like on the hanger. It's 100% linen, and it has these huge tortoiseshell buttons all down the shirt. It also has 2 buttons at the cuff, and I don't know, it has a little bit of a ruffle on the neckline, which makes it look a little bit more, I guess, Victorian, like a little bit old-fashioned. I think one thing that really surprised me about this top is how well it fits on me, who's a little bit more petite. The length of it is perfect, so I can tuck it in quite comfortably, but I can also leave it out without it being too long. I really like that the cuff area is super tight, just because I think it looks better when shirts don't like go past your wrist and onto your hand. If you're in between sizes, I would size up for this because this size 2 fits me like perfectly. And I feel like usually size 2 is like a fraction too big for me. It is a little bit sheer, but not overly so. I wore it today with my Reformation Eloise jeans, and I also just paired it with the Cloud bag, and I really like that combination. The next item I haven't worn yet, but it's this beautiful leopard print skirt. I think leopard print is super in right now. I've been seeing a lot of people style it, and I've been seeing a lot of brands do similar kind of skirts. So this is the first time owning anything in like an animal print. I think Anna from the Anna Edit wears a lot of leopard and I adore her style. So I wanted to give something leopard a try. So this skirt is made from 100% viscose. It has a little tie at the waist, which is quite a short tie, so you'll probably only get like one knot in. It's quite pleated, which I wasn't expecting, and it's a very nice detail actually. It comes with a black lining on the inside, as you can see. I've had a lot of Sézane like pieces come in lately that have just been super long, so I've returned them, but the length of this skirt fits me quite well, and I think if you're super tall, this might come just below your knees, but if you're a little bit shorter, it comes at a good like midi length. Styling wise, I feel like I'll usually wear this with either like a black or white t-shirt or black and white silk cami. I feel like I prefer leopard print when it's with neutrals, just to kind of tone it down a little bit, because for me this is quite a loud print. Let me know down below if you're interested in seeing how I style a leopard print skirt. I feel like it's quite trendy right now, and a lot of people probably have, you know, a thing in their wardrobe that has an animal print. So yeah, let me know down below if you're interested in seeing how I would style this skirt. So the last item I picked up is this blue shirt, and the print is called like a pashmina print, and it's 100% cotton. So the material is absolutely stunning. It just has these like white flowers on it, and I think the print was the main thing that really captured me. And also the blue is more of a grey blue, so it also feels quite neutral. There is like a Victorian style collar. It's a little bit similar to the white one, but this one is a little bit more exaggerated. The shoulder area is a little bit puffy, so it does make your shoulders look a little bit more structured, a little bit like broader, but not in a bad way. Through the body, the fit is quite loose. So it's a lot boxier than the other shirts, and it's also a little bit longer as well. This top reminds me a little bit of some of Derwent's blouses, just because of that kind of vintage inspired ruffle neckline, as well as like the print, which also looks a little bit vintage as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just an update, I did return the checkered jacket. You guys are super helpful. I think most of you said it was a little bit too oversized, which I definitely kind of saw. And I'm just so glad I returned it, and yeah, thank you for helping me decide on the jacket, because I wasn't sure, but I'm very glad I decided to return it. Let me know in the comments if there was anything that you picked up from the fall collection, and also what you'd like to see from me next. I will be filming like a week in outfits vlog kind of video, and that's going to be coming up soon, and I promise you that it will feature a lot of these pieces styled in different ways. So stay tuned if you would like to see that. And I'll also be posting some of my outfits on Instagram, so I'll link that in the description box as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in just a couple of days with my vlog. Bye!